If you've ever wanted to build your own website but felt overwhelmed by all the steps, coding or design, this is going to be one of the easiest tutorials you'll ever follow. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a website using AI so you can have a fully designed, professional-looking site in just minutes, without any coding or technical experience. We'll cover everything from generating your website with AI, customizing the design, adding your content, and getting your site live. Before we start building the website, let me quickly show you what we're going to create in this tutorial. This is the website we'll be building step by step using AI. As you can see, it already has a clean professional design with a homepage, sections for your services, content areas, and a contact section. You'll be able to customize everything, including the text, images, colors, and layout to match your own brand or business. And the best part is AI does most of the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to start from scratch. Now, let's go ahead and start creating your website with AI. To get started, we'll be using Hostinger for hosting in their AI website builder. I've included a special link in the description that gives you up to 79% off, plus an exclusive extra 10% off with my coupon code, and a free domain name on qualifying plans. So if you want to follow along and get the best deal available, just click that link below. And quick disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and you still get the lowest pricing. Now, once you're on the page, go ahead and click the Get Started button. That'll take you to the hosting plan section. Here you'll see 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll clearly explain which plan makes the most sense specifically for using the website builder so you know exactly what to choose. Now here's something important. Even though Hostinger already shows a large discount on the page, the exclusive coupon code I provided saves you even more at checkout. So make sure you apply it. And no matter which plan you choose, all of them include 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support, global data centers, 99.9% uptime guarantee. Now let's quickly break down the plan so you can choose the right one confidently. Hostinger's premium plan is a great starting point. You can host up to 3 websites, get 20 gigabytes of SSD storage, free email accounts for the first year, unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, and a free domain name when you choose an annual plan. It also includes the built-in AI website builder. However, here's the key limitation. If using the website builder on the premium plan, you cannot accept online payments. So if you plan to sell products, services, or run any type of online store, you'll want to upgrade. The business plan includes everything from premium, but adds significantly more power. You can host up to 50 websites, get 50 gigabytes of faster NVMe storage, more email accounts, access to Hostinger's full AI toolkit, AI website builder, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, AI SEO tools. You can also get daily and on-demand backups, a built-in CDN for faster global performance, and most importantly, the ability to accept payments and build an AI-powered e-commerce website. If you're building a business website or want to sell online, this is the plan I recommend. If you want maximum performance, the Cloud Startup plan takes things even further. You can host up to 100 websites, get 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 10 mailboxes per website, a dedicated IP address, automatic website migration, and priority 24/7 expert support. This plan is ideal if you're running multiple websites or want higher performance and more resources. Once you've chosen your plan, click the Choose Plan button underneath it. You'll now land on the cart page. On the right-hand side, click Have a Coupon Code. Paste in the promo code from the description and click Apply. You'll see the price update instantly. You get an additional 10% off. On the left side, under Period, choose how long you want your hosting plan to run. Keep in mind, the free domain name is only included with annual plans. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the 12-month option. Next, you'll choose your domain name, type in the domain you'd like. If it's available, you'll see it listed as $0 when you're on an annual plan. Click it to add the domain. Important, if you see the domain defaulting to a 2-year term, switch it to 1 year so it remains free. You'll also see that free domain privacy protection is included, which keeps your personal contact information private. You'll also see an optional add-on called Hostinger Reach. This is an AI-powered email marketing tool. If you want to use it, you can select your subscriber amount and add it here, but it's completely optional. Once you're ready, click Continue to create your account. Enter your details and click Register. Next, fill in your billing information. If you selected an annual plan, you'll see the free domain and free domain privacy included in your order summary. Click Continue. Finally, choose your payment method. Hostinger supports multiple payment options. For this tutorial, I'll select Card and click Submit Payment. Once your payment goes through, you'll receive a confirmation email with your receipt, and then we can move on to building your website. After checkout, you'll be taken inside your Hostinger dashboard. The first screen you'll see is Who is this website for? Go ahead and choose the option that best matches your situation, whether it's for yourself, your business, or a client. If you'd rather skip it, you can click Skip at the bottom. For this tutorial, I'll select an option and click Next. Next, you'll see Create or Migrate your website. If you're starting fresh, select Create a Website and click Next. Now, Hostinger will ask you how you want to build your site. For this tutorial, we're using the Hostinger Website Builder, so I'll select that and click Next. Next, you'll land on the What domain name do you want to use for this website page. Here, you have three options. You can enter a domain name you just registered, connect a domain you already own, or if you're not ready to decide yet, click Use Temporary Domain at the bottom. That lets you start building immediately using a temporary address, and you can connect your main domain later. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and select my domain and continue. You'll land on the Let AI Create a Website for You page. Here, you have two main options. You can let AI build your website automatically, or you can start with a pre-made template. For this tutorial, we're going to use AI. Just enter your brand name and a short description of your business, what you do, who you serve, and the style you're going for. The more specific you are, the better the result. For the description, I'll enter create a modern, clean portfolio website for a freelance creative professional. Include a hero section with name and headline, about section, services section, portfolio/gallery section with project descriptions, testimonials, and contact form. Use a minimal professional design with strong typography and clear call to action buttons. When you're ready, click the arrow icon and the AI will take it from there. While the AI is generating the website, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Hostinger's AI is creating your site structure, things like the layout, pages, images, text, and calls to action, all based on the information we just entered. Once the AI finishes, you'll see a preview of your website right here. You can easily switch between views at the top. Use the desktop icon to see how your site looks on a computer, and the mobile icon to preview how it looks on phones and tablets. You'll see the description you entered over here on the right. If you want to make any changes, just click Edit, adjust the prompt, and regenerate the site. Up in the top left, you'll see previous versions. This is really helpful because it lets you go back to previous versions of your site if you regenerate it and don't like the new result. You can switch between the last 5 versions so nothing gets lost. When you're ready to start customizing the site, go ahead and click Continue. This will take you into the Hostinger Website Builder where you can begin editing your site step by step. At the top, you'll see Website Builder. If you click this drop down, you can quickly navigate back to the Hostinger dashboard anytime. This makes it easy to switch between managing your hosting and editing your site. At the top of the editor, you'll also see an Ask option. This is Cody, your trusted AI companion. This is really helpful if you ever get stuck. You can click it and type in anything like, how do I change this section, or add a testimonial section, and it'll guide you step by step or even generate content for you. We won't rely on it for this tutorial, but just know it's there if you need extra help. Now let's customize this so it actually feels like your website. To edit any text on your page, simply click on it. You can click Edit Text or just double click directly on the text to start typing. From the text toolbar, you can change the heading type, adjust font size and color, Make text bold, italic, underline or strike through, and bullet or numbered list, adjust alignment. If you click the link icon, you can link the text to a page on your website, a web address, an email address. You can also choose to open the link in a new tab or mark it as no follow. Click Save once you're done. If you hover over the text block, you'll also see options to duplicate or delete it, which is helpful if you want to add more projects or sections quickly. To change an image, click on it and select Change Image. You can upload a new image, choose from your media library, use free stock images. If you want to rename or delete an image in your library, click the three dots on the image. Click Select to insert it. Once inserted, click Edit Image for more options. Inside Image Settings, you can add alt text, important for SEO, adjust style and opacity, change shape, add animations, set an action when clicked. To edit an entire section, click inside the section and choose Edit Section. This is useful if you want to customize your portfolio layout, for example, adjusting spacing between projects or changing the background behind your testimonials. From here, you can change background color, add a background image or video, adjust layout, modify spacing, add overlay effects, make the background fixed. To resize a section, hover over it and drag the height control up or down. To move elements around, simply drag and reposition them. Click Elements in the left menu. You can drag and drop things like text, images, buttons, forms, galleries, videos, icons. For example, to add something, just drag it onto the page and customize it. To edit a button on your site, click a button and select Edit Button. This is where you might link a button to your contact page, your resume, or a specific project case study. Under General, you can change button text, link description, open a new tab. Under Style, you can customize fill color, text color, font and size, border width and radius, hover effects, animation. Click Add Section wherever you want a new section. You can choose the pre-made section template, filter by category, or add a blank section. This is helpful if you want to add more projects, a testimonial section, or a call to action inviting people to contact you. Templates save time, but you can fully customize everything. To edit the contact form or form on your site, click the form and choose Edit Form. This is important for a portfolio because this is how potential clients will contact you. Under General, you can change form name, set the email for submissions, view submission lists. Under Fields, you can add new fields, reorder fields, make fields required, edit labels and placeholders. You can also customize the Submit button, success message, and styling. Now let's go over editing the header and footer. Click the header and select Edit Header. You can make the header sticky, adjust spacing, show or hide elements, edit social icons, customize header button. To edit your logo, click it. You can upload your own logo image or switch to a text-based logo and customize the font and size. Scroll to the footer and click Edit Section. This is a great place to add copyright info, social links, contact details. To edit the social links, just click on any of the social media icons. Then click Edit Social Icons. From here, you can drag and drop the icons to change the order, add a new social icon, or remove ones you don't need. You can also adjust the style, layout, and animation to match your website's design. If you click on an individual icon, you can enter your actual social media URL. And if you click the settings icon next to it, you'll have options to edit or delete that specific icon. At the top of the editor, click Preview to see your site. Click Go Live to publish. Click Update Website to push new changes. You can also switch between desktop and mobile views to make sure your website looks great on both. Click Styles in the left menu. Here you can globally control colors, fonts, button styles, and animations. Changing styles here updates them across your entire website, which is great if you want your website to match your personal brand colors. Click Pages. Here you can reorder pages, create drop-down menus, hide pages from navigation, enable a coming soon page, add new pages. You can drag pages slightly to the right to create submenus. If you want to add a blog to showcase updates or case studies, click Add Page, Blog. Click SEO, then select a page. Here you can set SEO title, add meta description, choose a focus keyword, edit page URL, hide page from search engines. Hostinger also provides on-page SEO suggestions. Under More, General Settings, you can add a favicon, set a link preview image, enable a cookie banner, connect integrations, view analytics, manage backups, add multi-language support. If your domain isn't connected yet, click Connect Domain at the top. And that's how you can create a website with AI step by step. As you can see, it's actually much easier than most people think. And with AI doing most of the work, you can have a professional website up and running in no time. If you want to follow along or get started, make sure to check out the link in the description along with the exclusive coupon code to get the best deal available. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more website tutorials, hosting reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.